Welcome everybody, I'm Grady and this is Uncle Sweetie's Model Works. Today's video will be the entry video for my 100 subscriber giveaway contest. I recently did a video where you guys could vote on which of 6 kits you wanted to see be given away. Those results are 34 Ford pickup, 1 vote, tied for last place. The 96 Corvette Grand Sport, 1 vote, tied for last place. The 57 Chrysler 300, 2 votes, 4th place. The 97 again. 97 Ford F-150, 4 votes, did very well, 3rd place. 67 Impala, I thought sure this one would win. 5 votes, 2nd place. And finally, last but not least, Little Red Wagon, 6 votes and the winner. So this is what we're going to do. Because there is so much interest and there are votes on all the kits, I'm going to draw a winner and the winner will get their choice. So let me do the YouTube disclaimer first. YouTube is in no way affiliated, sponsored, blah 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 of this giveaway, and I am solely responsible for everything involved. Gonna let you get want to get a comment on this video. So my rules are: be a subscriber, like this video, comment on this video which of these kits you want to receive. The winner will receive their choice, and shipping will be on me in the continental United States. If you really want to enter, if you really want one of these kits outside the continental United States, go ahead and enter, and we can work out something for shipping where, maybe we go half or whatever, depending on how much that is. I will close comments on midnight my time, December 31st, my time being Central Time in the US. I will do the drawing by random comment picker on January 1st, 2023. I believe that's all the disclaimers. Your choice of kits. Comment on this video with a like and a subscribe. Shipping's on me in the continental US. Yeah, YouTube discussion. Yeah, that's it. So, comment down below which of these you'd like to receive. And thank you all for watching. Thank you all for commenting on my videos and giving me encouragement and advice. Thank you all for getting me to 100 plus subscribers now. Comment which one you'd like to win. I'll see you on the first. Good luck.